Founded in 1997, East Shineray Group Company Limited, hereinafter referred to as Shineray Group, is a large-scale enterprise that is engaged in sectors such as manufacturing, financial service, and intelligent travel, and has formed a 4+1 integrated industry financing development platform that involves automobiles, high-end motorcycles, agricultural machinery, and universal machinery, intelligent travel, and financial leasing, with a workforce of 6,000 and a design team over 300. Shineray Group has built a partnership with customers from over 100 countries globally and made strategic cooperation with world-renowned companies in the industry. Our products are well received by customers worldwide, and we achieved the goal of annual production value $2.4 billion in 2018, $2.7 billion in 2019, and $3.1 billion in 2020. In the future development, Shineray Group will stick to its mission to create materialistic, intellectual, and spiritual wealth and share with employees, customers, and the society, and devote efforts to building a trusted and respected enterprise. Mr. Gong Da-Xing, founder and chairman of Shineray Group. Mr. Gong was a teacher before founded the Shineray Group and the awardee of the Medal for Knights of Italy. Since 1997, he has successfully set up Shineray Automobile, Shineray Motorcycle, Shineray Agri-Machinery, and other business units, and actively taken part in various public activities since 2017. He has sponsored FC Internazionale Milano and make SWM brand become the title sponsor of Chongqing Football Club in Chinese Football Premier League. Every year, he delivers charitable support to the education and poverty alleviation in China. Shineray Business Units 4+1, Shineray Automobile, owns the passenger car brand SWM, commercial vehicle brand Shineray, and Jinbei Motor, builds a complete R&D, manufacturing, sales, and service system. Shineray Automobile's product portfolio includes SUV, MPV, minibus, mini truck, and EV. Has 3 major manufacturing plants in Chongqing, Fuling, Chongqing High-Tech Zone, Shineray Vietnam, and an Italian design center. The accumulated productions and sales of Shineray cars have exceeded 1 million units, with an annual production of 300,000 units, engines, and complete vehicles, and over 1,000 dealers throughout China. Meanwhile, Shineray automobiles are sold to Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and the America, and realize local production in 9 countries, with the love and trust from customers all over the world. Shineray Motorcycle. There are 2 motorcycle brands, Shineray and SWM. Has 2 manufacturing plants in Chongqing High-Tech Zone, Italy, and an Italian design center. Has the ability of vehicle appearance creative design, slurry model design, layout structural design, system development, electrical system design, etc. It also has a full set of inspecting and testing equipment under the National Laboratory Standard. Be capable of carrying out the application design and calibration for EFI system, as well as the R&D capabilities for high-end motorcycles vehicle engine test and evaluation. Shineray Motorcycle has obtained multiple certifications such as EEC and EPA, with over 150 models in the product lineup. While performing well in the domestic market, it is also exported to more than 100 countries and regions worldwide. Shineray Agricultural Machinery. Shineray Agricultural Machinery has gained more than 100 patents for the invention, utility, and appearance. Our products have been approved with CE, GS, EPA, CARB, and other certifications. With the small utility engine business as our core platform, we get involved in the 4 major business areas: emergency rescue, engineering construction, gardening, and agricultural cultivation, forming a whole system product layout of tiller, generator set, lawnmower, snowblower, and water pump. Smart travel. Shineray Group is committed to promoting smart travel and green logistics, running a new energy brand named Laogong Logistics Electric Taxi. Financial leasing. The business covers automobile and equipment financial leasing, leased property purchase, management, investment, and consulting. In order to promote Shineray globally and accelerate Shineray's internationalization, Shineray Group will stick to the customer-first philosophy in the business operation and center on the global user experience. Continue to penetrate the global market and provide high-quality products and services for partners and customers. Shineray Group creates a future with intelligence.